Welcome to English Accelerator, your fast track to career success through business English mastery.
Welcome to English Advance, where we help professionals speak with clarity, confidence, and impact.
What's your name?
My name is Leo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a content creator.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What are you doing now?
I'm practicing English.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Are you tired?
No, I feel great.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like Inception.
Are you hungry?
No, I just ate.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing cricket.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a filmmaker.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep around 11 p.m.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I practice every day.
What's your favorite book?
I love Atomic Habits.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.